Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like someone might be listening in on your conversations? Maybe your phone's acting weird, your battery is draining too fast, or you hear strange noises on calls. Well, in today's video, we are diving into how to check if your phone is tapped by the police or someone else and what you can do about it. So stick around to protect your privacy. Here's the deal. If the police have a valid court warrant, they can legally tap your phone. If they don't, it's considered illegal. But how can you tell if your phone is being tapped? We will explore the signs, secret codes, and safety measures to help you stay informed and protected. Let's start with some telltale signs that your phone could be tapped or hacked. These are things you can notice in your day-to-day phone usage. Is your phone turning off or on by itself? Maybe you are getting strange text messages or hearing odd noises during calls. These could be red flags. If your battery drains faster than usual, spyware or surveillance software could be running in the background. These programs can consume a lot of power. Have you noticed a spike in your data usage even when you are not using your phone much? Surveillance software often transmits recorded data to a server, which can eat up a lot of data. Do you hear clicking, static, or background noises during phone calls? This could mean someone's eavesdropping on your conversations. Want to go one step further? Try these secret codes to check for signs of tampering. Dial #21#. This code will reveal if your calls or messages are being diverted to another number. Dial #62#. This will show if your calls, messages, or data are being forwarded without your knowledge. If you find something suspicious, dial the following to disable all call diversions immediately. If you suspect your phone is tapped, here's what you should do. If the police have a court order, cooperate with their investigation and consult a lawyer to ensure your rights are protected. Assume every word is being recorded. Don't discuss sensitive information over the phone. Use anti-spyware apps like Avast or Norton to scan and remove any malicious software. You can also check out our video on best anti-spyware for Android and best anti-spyware for iPhone using the I button. If you believe the surveillance is illegal, talk to a lawyer immediately. They can guide you on your rights and next steps. Unauthorized phone tapping is against the law. You can file a complaint or take legal action if you are being monitored without consent. So what's the verdict? If your phone is acting up and you notice these signs, don't ignore it. Whether it's the police with a warrant or someone else illegally spying on you, it's crucial to protect your privacy. Remember, if you have done nothing wrong, you have nothing to fear, just cooperate and consult your lawyer. And hey, if you feel your rights are being violated, don't hesitate to take action. Knowledge is power, and now you have the tools to detect and fight back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.